So how does it work? So what now? Did they go yet?
Nah, they ain't went yet. But see, with the lead bowling, we both basically just keep going back and forth with switch. Right? Yeah, this one over here a little more oily.
That was easy work.
This one drier over here.
That was pretty good.
They robbed me on that one, man.
That was pretty good. He can bowl. There you have it. Fans everywhere here in Cincinnati.
FaceNewsReport.com. I'm Malik Sickback reporting.